Okay. I just wanted to take a few moments and talk to you a little bit about Patricia's class, HypnoKinesthetics. It was an amazing class that I really had never thought about these techniques, but it was using hypnosis with movement. And the beauty about it was that you were able to express yourself without verbalizing. So if you have a client that is not really verbal or they don't know how to express how they're feeling, this was a process where they could express it through movement. And at first, when we experienced it, it felt a little uncomfortable and you weren't sure how to express the emotions or recreate the events that had gone on. But as you went through the process, it was very clear how to release those emotions, and in the end, it felt really good. It's definitely a new process that I think is going to be up and coming and is very exciting, and I can see using it in the future very soon. And I am Karen Bird at Win with Hypnosis, and here at Heartland Hypnosis Conference, I took Patricia's class. It was amazing.